this hot mess. No. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're having a good day. Excuse my mother in the background. She's having a conversation with my godmother. Today is a very late start. And by late start, I mean it's 4:30 in the afternoon. I did not wake up until about an hour ago. I am coming to you looking like this because we're at home. We're not going anywhere. I woke up very late. I woke up so late, like the sun is about to go down. I didn't go to sleep till about 8 o'clock in the morning. I did a lot of editing, but could not get it posted soon enough because my computer exports all of my videos extremely slow. I think I was exporting the video at like 9:30. It didn't finish until 10:30. Excuse me. And then I had to import it onto YouTube. And then that didn't finish within a timely span of me to post it. So one thing I'm doing today is I'm going to post the video sooner. And then later on I'll edit this one and post this one later in the same day. I'm gonna make me some tea. This is just like a a day in my life, kind of. I'm gonna make me some tea, and I haven't eaten anything, so I might make some oatmeal or something. Edit while I'm eating. Clothes. I have to switch out our fall springish coats and jackets for our winter ones. So I'm going to do that since all the coats were upstairs. I think I might wrap some gifts. Maybe not, because I just realized all of our wrapping stuff is in the basement in the storage. So maybe I'll do that tomorrow. Anyways, I still have some more Christmassy holiday stuff to do, so I'm going to try and get to that. Yeah. So let's go. So I'm doing bread and cheese for the afternoon because I really don't have much of an appetite, but I know I have to eat something. So we have multigrain bread, and I'm going to put a piece of cheese on it and put it in the microwave and call it quits. Alright, so I have just finished publishing the first video from yesterday. It'll be out at 6 p.m. It is currently 5:41 p.m. Yeah, so now just to continue with the rest of the day. And I'm actually going to try and get it done fast because I just been delayed a lot again. So hopefully I'll get this video up today at least around 11 o'clock. It will be very late, but I will get it posted. Alrighty, hi, back. So my dogs are all over the place right now. Right now I'm about to finish going through these coats and stuff. But the only issue is, like, I don't have much lighting in the hallway. That's my dog. So I'll probably be rather darker than what I am now. Yeah. So we'll see. Actually, let me just take out the coats first before I go hanging them up, because that's gonna be a lot. Arm strength is real. Alrighty, I got some of the clothes, some of the coats. Alrighty, that part is done. Now I just need to put all of these jackets and coats inside of this bag, suck up the bag, and put it in the storage. Hi. Love you too. And my big girl. And my big baby. I can't get my work done with you right here. Okay, I guess I have to get my work done with her right here. Okay. I forgot I gotta check the pockets just in case. I have not found... Oh my goodness! Do you know I've been looking for this mask since I left work? And when I mean left work, when I like legit stopped working because of 2020. Oh, and that just brought back a lot of work memories. I might cry. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh, I miss my job. Well, my job that does not exist anymore, but oh. Okay, now I'm done folding them all up. Now to suck them all up. Alright, all done. Now that this is all sucked up, it can go into storage and I can move on to the next portion. I did keep out 2 of my furry vests because I think those are like okay to wear now if I layer them up. Okay. Alright, so I'm back upstairs in my little studio and I'm going to be trying to do some music real quick. Record some vocals. I got a couple instrumentals. And then we're just gonna probably, this will be the last thing I do today. So that's basically it. I'm trying to do a couple Christmas songs or holiday songs at this point. But right now I'm just really testing out the song, seeing how I want to arrange it and whatnot, and then we'll just go from there. But this is what I'm doing. I haven't done this in a while, so I don't know. It's just when the mic gets in front of me, I think I get the most nervous, but I'm sure after a little bit I'll be a tad bit more comfortable. Anyways, here I go. Alright, so I'm done. I've officially finished for the day. I kind of like how it came out. I'm still going to do some more editing. I'm going to try to record a lot more, but I'm going to be done for the time being. Thank you for coming. I really appreciate you being here. Thank you for checking out this video. And today's been rather active. This has been the most active I think I've been all week, so this is giving me a good opportunity to really do stuff. Thank you, and come back again tomorrow. And until the next time, there I go. Bye bye, and happy holidays.